Today we have some of our favorite baby Disney characters on some Play-Doh cans. Let's meet our baby Disney characters. Is that baby Mickey Mouse? It is. Can you guess who that is? Of course it is. It's baby Minnie Mouse. And baby Donald Duck. Super cute. And baby Daisy Duck. It's baby Goofy. And baby Pluto. How many baby Disney characters do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see what surprise toys are in our Play-Doh cans. Who should we start with first? Let's start with Goofy. Which one is Goofy? Point to it if you know. And if you like Goofy, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Let's see what's in Goofy's can. Oh, it looks like a do. There's a do in this can. It's a blue hat. And we have some pink Play-Doh. Let's see what surprise toy is in our Play-Doh. I think it's a Squinky Dewdrops. It's Baleen Belle. Now Baleen has some big white teeth. She's purple. She's a whale. And today, she gets to wear this really cool hat. It's light blue. It has a green little ribbon on it. Doesn't she look cool? Let's put her down right here. Whose Play-Doh can should we open up next? How about Pluto? If you see Pluto down there, make sure you point him out. Thanks for helping me out there. Here's Pluto. He's got his very surprised expression. And he's yellow. Let's see what's in his Play-Doh can. Is that another do? I think it's the Hollywood do. It's orange. Let's see what surprise toy is in our Play-Doh. Oh, it's purple. Is it a purple Squinky Dewdrops? It is! It looks like it's a shark. That's Toothy White. Toothy White is purple shark. Very friendly with big white teeth. Black eyes. And today, he's going to be wearing his Hollywood do. Or also known as the President do. President Shark. Big grin on his face. Let's see what's in Daisy Duck's Play-Doh can. Here's Daisy Duck. She's got her purple ribbon, big eyes, very happy today. Let's see what's in her can here. Oh, we have another do. This one is purple. It's a purple do. Let's see what's in our pink Play-Doh. Oh, we got something that's light blue. Oh, is that Hootsy Hoo? It's Hootsy Hoo! Hootsy Hoo is an owl. She's light blue, little yellow feet, yellow bill, big black eyes. She gets to wear this purple hat. I think it looks good. Nicely done, Hootsy Hoo. Let's put her down right here. Let's see what's in Donald Duck's Play-Doh can. Hey Donald. Now we know that Donald likes his little sailor outfit. The little sailor hat, red bow tie, blue shirt. Let's see what's in his can here. Oh, that looks like the Monster Do. Is that the Monster Do? It is the Monster Do. Let's put it down here. Let's see what surprise toy is in our Play-Doh. Well, it's green. Looks like a kitten. We got a green little guy here with a monster do. It's a green little monster. A green little monster squinky dewdrops. Very cool. Let's put that one down right here. We have 2 cans left. Let's see what Mickey Mouse has for us. Now, baby Mickey is very happy this morning. He's got on his blue overalls. Let's see what's in the can. Oh, we have another do. Look at that. We got our hipster do with our hipster hair and our glasses. Let's see what's in our Play-Doh. Oh, it's a purple squinky dewdrops. Is that Marley Chirp? It is Marley Chirp. Cheep cheep. Marley Chirp is gonna be a hipster today. Oh yeah. There we go. Very hipstery. Got the combed over hair and the glasses. Very cool looking. Let's put her down right here. Lastly, we have Baby Minnie. Baby Minnie, it looks like she's ready to eat. She's got on her little bib. She always wears her pink bow in her hair. Let's see what's in her Play-Doh can. Oh, we have another do. This one is a top hat. It's very shiny. Let's put it down right here and let's see what's in our Play-Doh. Something orange. Oh, it's a walrus squinky dewdrops. Now the walrus is gonna be wearing a top hat. That's so funny. A walrus wearing a top hat. Hey guys, thanks for coming and hanging out with us. I had so much fun with our baby Disney characters. Thanks so much for opening these surprise toys with me. My favorite was President Shark over here. The purple shark with his very regal hair. Now if you enjoyed this video today, make sure you give us a big thumbs up. And of course subscribe and never miss an episode. I know you don't want to miss a video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.